Most companies are using AI like a simple calculator. They use it to crunch a few numbers or generate an email. But treating artificial intelligence as a mere peripheral tool misses its real function. It is an operating system. Currently, organizations rely on generic chatbots, automate isolated tasks, and bolt-on tools without strategy. These disjointed deployments create organizational friction. Instead of increasing speed, they add layers of complexity to a workflow that was already struggling. The industrial-era company was designed for predictability, repetitive labor, and centralized control. It was never built to handle autonomous execution. Layering high-speed AI tools over these rigid pathways creates an inevitable mismatch. The existing hierarchy acts as a bottleneck that breaks the system. Today's enterprise requires an architecture optimized for intelligence, adaptability, and distributed execution. While many businesses experiment with software, they often overlook the need to restructure the teams using it. Companies that focus on buying tools rather than redesigning their fundamental organizational architecture face a growing gap in operational efficiency. The evolutionary replacement for the traditional corporate hierarchy is the wisdom-driven do-ocracy. In this model, humans provide strategic wisdom, while integrated AI agents handle rapid execution. Execution nodes bypass traditional centralized pathways to connect directly with problems. The organization stops asking who has authority and starts asking who can solve this best. When contribution matters more than bureaucracy, the result is faster innovation and a more resilient operational structure. Evervolve AI focuses on building these specific systems. Traditional consulting often stops at strategy or basic chatbot integration. Evervolve AI operates as an AI-native operational transformation company. We build and deploy tailored AI agents, workflow orchestration systems, and operational intelligence layers. This bridges the gap between human strategy and machine execution, allowing an organization to think and adapt at a significantly higher tempo. AI initiatives often fail because of slow deployment cycles and institutional resistance to change. Evervolve uses the AI Skunkworks framework to bypass these obstacles. We deploy small, autonomous teams to rapidly build specific systems like AI sales or marketing pipelines, independently of corporate red tape. This high-speed loop proves value and ROI before integration into the larger workflow. Once reintegrated, it accelerates the speed of the entire system. This Skunkworks model allows an organization to evolve its infrastructure without disrupting its core business. This transition moves a business from a static hierarchy into an adaptive intelligence system. In this state, organizational knowledge compounds continuously. Human strategy is executed at machine speed. AI targets the friction within an organization. When systems coordinate themselves, the energy previously lost to bureaucracy is reclaimed for execution. The future of business is coordination. Organizations that transition to these adaptive systems gain a compounding operational advantage that traditional hierarchies cannot match. If your organization is ready to build an AI Skunkworks initiative and turn human wisdom into coordinated action,